Hey friends, happy Self-Love Sunday. So I have been working extremely hard on some books and workbooks and journals, and the creative process has been so much fun that I want to share with you exactly what I've been doing. So if you don't know this by now, I've created a beautiful journal, self-love journals. So this is Go Love Yourself Self-Love Journal, 50 self-love prompts to open your heart to love. And this is a proof copy, that's why there's this band across it. But this is live now on Amazon, and you can order them through there. I have the link in bio, or I'll put the link in the description box below. So check that out. And I am also finishing up my self-love book that I have been writing for, I don't know, 7 years. And it is going to be a workbook. And I'm so excited about this because I kind of shift gears and looked at things when I was creating this journal, that this creative process was so much fun, and that I felt like people are more responsive to something like this, something that is interactive and engaging, and something that just catches your eye and that you'll want to work on and work through and do take the steps forward on that journey into self-love. So stay tuned for that. The launch date hasn't been confirmed, but it will be in September. I am just finishing up some details of the workbook, so I have to still proof it, and there's more to this process, but the launch date will be in September, so stay tuned for that. Also, how are things going with you as far as getting into the heart center, loving yourself, creating that sacred space of love within yourself? When we become busy in our lives, when we are doing many things, maybe we are facing situations that aren't easy for us, or where we doubt ourselves, or where we feel we could have done better, then we can really come down on ourselves. We really can treat ourselves with disrespect and with very little love or very little compassion. So are you experiencing anything where you are just not feeling good about yourself, where you've kind of fallen off the path of the self-love journey and reverted back to those old patterns and those old ways of being? So it's okay. All you need to do is begin to get back onto the path, on that journey to discovering that sacred self, to discovering that love within. And it just takes a moment of being aware of where you are at, and then choosing differently, choosing where you want to go next. And whatever has happened in the past is now in the past. And we tend to look at that a little bit too long, hoping that it would change or be different, but it's in the past now, and all you have right now is this very moment to start over again, to get back on the path again, move along your journey into loving yourself and respecting yourself. So go ahead and do that this week. Take the time out, be compassionate, be caring for yourself, be kind to yourself, and slowly get back on that path. So I will see you next time. Bye.